In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up DKIM keys in Salesforce using Dream Efficiency 5303, lightning.force.com. Securing your emails with DKIM keys is an important step to ensure that your emails are trusted and verified, and we're here to help guide you through this process. First things first, open up your browser and navigate to the Salesforce homepage. Once you've logged into your Salesforce account, you're going to want to look for the Gear Settings icon. You can usually find it at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that icon. This gear symbol is a gateway to many of the settings we use to customize Salesforce to fit our needs. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, you're going to see an option called Open Advanced Setup. Click on it. This will take us to a deeper settings section where we can configure some of the more detailed customization and security preferences for our Salesforce implementation. With the Advanced Setup page open, direct your attention to the search bar at the top. There, you want to type in DKIM keys. The search is going to streamline our navigation by bringing up the relevant options, and the interface should display a section titled DKIM keys. Click on it and give it a moment to load the DKIM setup page. After the DKIM page has loaded, look for a button labeled Create New Key. Click on it. This step initiates the process of generating a new DKIM key, which is vital for email verification and security. Now that you're in the key creation area, you'll be asked to choose a key size. Generally, a larger key size is more secure, but make sure it's compatible with your system and your email provider's requirements. Once you've made your selection, move on to input the selector details. The selector is a critical part of your DKIM signature that ensures emails are properly verified by the recipient's mail servers. Next, input your alternate selector. This provides an extra layer of security, allowing you to have a fallback verification option if the primary selector encounters any issues. You're almost there. Now type in your domain information. This is crucial because it tells the DKIM system which domain the key will verify, tying all your hard work back to your specific email domain. Finally, after reviewing all your inputs and ensuring everything is correctly filled out, you'll want to click on Save. This action secures your settings, and you should see a confirmation message signifying the successful creation of your DKIM keys. And with that, you've set up DKIM keys for your Salesforce emails. This setup ensures your messages are verified and trusted, safeguarding them from potential spoofing threats. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your Salesforce email security.